how to select items in Windows in different ways. So right now I have a folder open in my file explorer, and I've got about 7 different files in here. Now there are different ways I can go about selecting one. If I want to click and drag it somewhere else, I can of course just click on it, and you'll notice that the folder is now highlighted, or I can click on the different text documents and do that as well. Another way I can go about it is if I click on one and then hold down the control key, I can click onto multiple items at the same time. Another way you can also do that is by clicking and then dragging the mouse, and it'll give you a selection area, so everything that falls underneath that selection area will then be selected. And then one final way you can do things is select the first item in the list, and then while holding down the shift key, it will then select every item between the first item and the item that you selected. So if I wanted to select every item in the list, I would select on the first item and then hold down the shift key, select the last item, and I've selected every single item within the folder. And that's how you select items in different ways in Windows.